What up, great people? It's a fellow guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn the loop cross like Floyd Mayweather. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick or workout to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. This is another trick added to the Floyd Mayweather series we started long ago. So if you haven't seen those videos, do check them out. It's linked down in the description. So without further ado, let me show you and we'll get started immediately. So this trick is very simple, but there are some preliminaries to this trick. There are a few things you need to know, some basics you need to know before you get into this trick. So the basics to this move, right, is for you to maybe learn how to do the crossovers. So you have to learn how to do the crossovers perfectly before you can nail this move. And to do these crossovers, right, you have to get a full cross. Make sure you check our tutorial on the jump rope crossovers. We'll link down in the description below. Can link it up here for you to see anywhere around. So from the crossovers, right, it's basically something like this. Make sure you're getting a full cross. Now to get the loop, you have to cross. So into the cross, right, like into a full cross, right, your hands in this position, then you rotate before you open back. So what I mean is, like, you're into cross, you rotate, then you open. So it's basically like this. 1, 2. So make sure you rotate very well, like with your wrist this time before you enter. It's that simple. So just to learn like from the basics, I advise you to either use basic bounce or boxer skip. So let's try it with the boxer skip and see. So I'll enter the crossovers, the loop, and I'm out. Crossovers, loop, out. So those are just 2 loops. Another thing I want to show you, like if you're a fan of speed and you really want to speed up this stuff to make it look more sleek, you can use it to enter even double unders if you like nail it very well. It looks so sweet when you nail it. So from this position, I go in, watch my leg, I'm into crossovers, loop cross, double unders. So if you nail it very well, it's very safe for you to do and it will be simple. So remember, what you do here is from basic bounce, crossovers, loop cross, and you're out. That was a trip, right? I'm into the jump, crossovers, loop cross. Remember to always cross with your full hands. Like I'm using a long-handed speed rope right now. That is a freestyle rope. It's a kind of cheat, but don't depend on this cheat. Make sure you get full cross. Don't let the rope do it for you, because if you perfect it with this rope, I kind of move to a short-handed speed rope. It's kind of very difficult for you. But so once you learn, like to practice, if you have this kind of long-handed speed rope like I do, you do it like this. Make sure you hold so that you don't cheat yourself and you get a full cross. So from this position, I get into crossovers. You see? So it's kind of smooth for me because I'm moving my hands like full cross. There's some flexibility exercise you can do if you're not really flexible with your upper body. And also, I advise you to wear some super free clothes, like to give you that maximum flexibility to move your hands freely and get that full cross at your elbows. But if you cannot really do it and you're still a beginner, you're not that flexible and you don't want to bother yourself with these stretches, I advise you to like tilt your upper body. It's a kind of hack for you to get this full cross. So from this position, let's learn the speed trick with this move. So I'll go, watch my feet carefully. This time I'm not going to use the boxer step. So this will be our practice. If you have been following along this tutorial, I'd like you to pick up your rope now and let's do it together. So into the crossovers, I kind of whip twice. What I'm basically doing here is, once I enter the cross, I kind of loop 2 times, open, enter the running in place 2 times, cross. So I'm kind of creating a nice rhythm for me to like maintain my stuff. If I'm to do like a triple loop crosses now, I can also create something like that. So from this position, right, I'm moving into the crossovers. 1, 2, 3, But I kind of like the 2. But let's practice it 3 times and see if you can nail it like the pro. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. So that's basically it, guys. Practice very well. If this trick is kind of difficult and you know you cannot nail it at one time, just give in the real practices. Apply these hacks I just shared with you. Apply these hacks I just shared with you, and in no time you can nail this move. Don't just go try this like 2 or 1 more time and you know drop the rope and see if it's not working. Yeah, abandon everything.
Which part of this move do you need to work on? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Your support has taken us this far and we are really happy to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your loved one, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on notification to catch up with our new contents. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.